Alright, so we begin on PS2.
Yeah.
Fridgebits versus Diddy. The
When it
characters-
does start PS2.
Mhm.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
The characters I'm not that familiar with. I just see a lot of G-dubs on here. Wonder what we'll see in the way of AGTs.
Well, when you see G-dubs, they're very they're something else.
They
Like
are
they're really good or really bad.
True.
You can say that about
Yeah.
every character.
That's on.
Except Fox, they're all bad.
Oh, and Lewdcario, because everything kills. His turbo mode,
Yeah. Probably the worst character in the game.
obvious.
Oh,
But
that
here.
was almost a really fancy kill.
Banana. Oh, nice AGT.
Oh, good tech though to get
I
out
do
of
not see many AGTs on that deck. This is refreshing. That was very Try.
We've seen some good neutral from these players. Okay,
That was
her.
okay.
That was her. The kills, yes. Isn't Diddy Kong the best character ever?
Literally the best.
Look, fair killed. Isn't Gamer Watch the best character ever? Your character can kill, you can be the best.
What is Diddy doing on the ground? Is he AGTing them, or is he using a shield? and throwing them?
I believe it's a glide toss, aerial glide toss. Not aerial glide toss, but jump cancel glide toss.
That's a thing?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Huh. I learned how to do that.
It was in book. And right there he did a regular glide toss, which involves the shield.
Ah.
You cancel a roll.
Oh, that's what happens. Okay. I didn't know you could do that.
Yes. Brawl tactics.
Hey. Lot of broad tactics are good.
Brawl tactics are literally the best. If you can play Brawl, you're automatically the best.
Obviously. Yes. Oh. There's fair. Everlasting. No.
There.
That's dope.
I think you're behind.
526? Or 4, 3, 2.
Yeah, never mind. You
Okay.
just commented on fair really slow. Never mind.
I meant F tilt there. Very nice.
I wonder if that banana will kill. Bananas are broken in this thing. DLA has some nice banana control.
Blah.
Bananas are just insane. Like, they can make perfect tech chase situations if you're not careful.
Oh.
We won't see them, yeah, just a little bit. We won't see many banana tech chases because Game & Watch.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
A little bit. Oh, absolutely nothing.
Like down throw and just a banana can cover like every tech option.
You just edge canceled that.
Yes, you did.
Didn't know you could do that. Cool.
Seems like Fridgebits might have to switch to Luigi or something.
Oh, he goes for the taunt. Was it worth?
Oh.
Worth.
It was worth. It's always worth.
Wow.
Looks like DLA is looking
Going
for
for
the
the
up B kill.
Wow. Uppy into uppy into uppy. True combo.
The winner is Diddy Kong.
Well.
10 out of 10.
Literally the best.
Yep. Did you confirm broken? Again?
Yeah, Diddy was always broken.
Let's see what I do.
Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong.
Thinking.
Yeah, he's gonna make a character switch.
You said he has Luigi and who else?
Excuse me?
You said this person has Luigi and who else?
Sonic.
Ah,
I think we're gonna see his Sonic though.
probably.
I mean, not Luigi.
Or
my
not,
bad.
yeah. of course.
Luigi. I meant Luigi. That's his best character.
Oh, those new old costumes.
Yes. New old costumes.
I mean, it's recolored. New thing.
I
Yeah.
didn't even know blue was a thing. It looks really good though.
Mhm.
Red
Yeah,
would
they
be better.
the MPT just went through and recolored them. Now he has all costume monster.
Oh wow, these edge cancels.
Mm-hmm. Really good, Diddy. Technical. That's what he's doing. Wow. Very clean.
You got dunked on.
Thought that was
Okay.
good awareness, but there's the no fun there. Good spot. Back there. Oop. There's some times.
Okay. And he does have a misfire.
Green flash. So you know. Surprised he didn't save it.
I wonder why Fridgebits went this stage. I don't know if it's a really good Luigi stage.
I mean, he has a lot of movement options. Oh, I see.
What do you see?
If you're if you're wave dashing outwards, you can get perfect ones
Oh,
because of the slope. Alright.
that can be a good thing.
Yep, with Luigi especially.
Good question.
So
DLA
it's
avoiding that misfire. He's afraid of it. He should be.
They're scary,
They're scary.
like a rest but mobile. However, in this update, they do get weaker as the more he stores them. So,
Oh,
interesting, no?
that's something.
Mhm.
Are we gonna see up there? Probably gonna see an up throw kill. I think Diddy has an up throw kill.
Oh.
Never mind. I really wanted to see up throw.
Oh.
I'm always gonna be disappointed.
Always. Never forget.
Just walk up
Going-
down here.
Whole bunch of creative things here.
You know his Diddy is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely knows the Luigi matchup.
Whole bunch of different. Whole bunch of knowledge options. Good tech. Wow.
Oh, and that's a dead Luigi.
Yep.
Oh, never mind. Maybe
Yeah.
he can. Yeah,
Nope.
my bad.
Having fun with the banana there.
I would have fun with a banana.
That's sweet. Good. Right. I wonder if this video will end. Very few.
I wouldn't count Fridgebits out. He is a good player. He can make a comeback. He can make some pretty smart adjustments.
Let's see.
He just has to play really careful. Maybe start going for some of the random down Bs. Luigi tend to rely on down B a little bit too much in PM.
Oh yes, because it's essentially the reverse movement, right?
Yeah. He can move really fast across the ground, and it's a hitbox. But
Oh, fair
if you
enough.
use-
Different
if you
grab.
use it- yeah. DLA going with more stuff.
Dash dance. Dash dance. Oh man.
DLA
the
is
reads.
looking for these things. I mean, he has 3 socks to spare, so why not?
You could probably kill him with peanuts if you want to do. Stand there and keep firing.
Oh,
What?
And he went for it, but
Oh.
Diddy Kong just ate it.
Oh,
He got it during the startup frames. Oh, that banana.
I didn't know that was a thing. That's a
Now
thing.
you do. Now you do.
Well, now I know. No.
Weak back there. We're gonna see some ledge play. I wouldn't be off the stage versus DLA right now, though. Yeah.
Because that's why.
Yeah. He's in that so many times, too.
Mhm.
So, it's
Alright. So DLA takes it 2-0.
yeah, 2-0.
So,
Hope to see more
so
of
it's
that
one more?
DLA. Nope.
No.
You just said it's best of 5.
Is it? It's only
You just said it was
quarters.
you. Just said it's best
No,
of
no,
you.
it's not best of 5.
Oh
Okay.
no, I thought you were talking about the next set.
Oh,
This
okay.
is a best of 3.
Yep.
Okay.
3.0. DLA moves on. Fridgebits goes to Luigi. Hope to see more of the Diddy in the future. Let's see who's next.
Okay, so we're gonna put both people in the stream now, right?
Who?
Both people in the stream now, right? Timmy.
Timmy.
Yes. I'm fixing straw poll names.
Ah.
Wait, what are you doing with straw poll?
I mean, not straw poll, I mean, challenge. Just title up rounds.
Alright. Then it gets killed. Puts them team suit. Yeah, here you go.
Here's a code.
Yep. Oh, I see. Reading your mind. Inferior, I'd say. $100 height. Well, stable. Ish. Alright, begin. Controller's disabled, yep. And immediate pause. What's happening?
Okay, I'm back.
Alright.
Refresh your brackets and you'll see round names.
Yeah, let's see. Hey, there we go.
Okay, so we're gonna see Flutterfied versus who? Danov.
Floodfied versus Danov. Yep.
The god who basically knocked out Panther. With the 100-0 matchup.
Yes.
You should feel scumbaggy right now. Didn't feel proud at all.
Abusing that. Shame. You flip her off,
Choose your character. Donkey Kong. Ice Climber.
Then we're gonna see Donkey Kong versus Ice Climbers. Okay.
I'm assuming Icy's win this matchup.
In theory, Icy should win every matchup. Kappa.
I just know DK has a giant hurtbox, so it should be easier to get the grab combos off.
Yeah, but DK can also just kill. Just kill pretty easy. But DK needs a pretty good ground, not ground game, but grab game, in order to do a lot of his auto combos.
Then again, there are two characters at hand. Wow, 2-in-1 duo.
Look at that.
What?
Look at that.
What?
That's amazing, isn't it?
That is amazing.
Look at how mind game that is. Dan's my pet. I wonder how long these anime movies will take.
Alright. Oh, that long.
That long. Okay.
Roughly 50 seconds.
Girly.
Yes.
We know how this is gonna go.
That ups. Alright, let's see. DK wants a stage where he can get it off stage and kill. Icy's on the stage.
Isn't that every matchup?
True.
Isn't the point of Smash is to just get them off stage and then kill them?
Well, yeah. Oh.
Starters are...
Yeah, Enter does that. He's the worst.
Very nice stage select screen. NPCs worked hard customizing everything, making it look nice and groovy.
They could have done better.
Yeah. Nice, you know. Don't remember those rectangles in the background, for example.
I don't know the rectangles.
Rectangles.
Oh,
Well.
rectangles. They could have done better.
Hmm.